Hello, everyone. Today we will explore an exciting topic in modern agriculture, applying drone technology, also known as UAVs, to modernize farm management and agricultural production. Let's follow along to discover the applications and benefits that UAVs bring. UAVs are an effective tool for observing the entire farm and various cultivation areas. With high-quality cameras and stable flight capabilities, equipped with multispectral sensors and GPS systems, UAVs can collect data on soil moisture, nutrient concentration, and soil dispersion. This data helps farmers make precise decisions on soil care methods and optimize farming efficiency. Before UAVs, farmers had to rely on personal experience or hire experts to check soil quality, which was both costly and inaccurate. After applying UAVs, data is collected accurately and quickly, enabling timely and effective decision-making. Drones offer a more efficient approach to spraying pesticides. Instead of using traditional sprayers, UAVs can spray more precisely, reducing pesticide waste and optimizing crop protection from pests and diseases. Previously, manual spraying or using traditional sprayers often led to waste and uneven distribution. After applying UAVs, spraying becomes precise, saving chemicals and ensuring effective crop protection. Benefits of applying UAVs in agriculture. Thanks to their ability to collect precise and timely data, UAVs help improve production efficiency and crop quality. Adjusting care policies based on specific data helps enhance crop growth and final product quality. Crop yields can increase by 10% to 30% due to more accurate management and reduced loss from diseases. Using UAVs also significantly reduces operational costs and saves time. Automating tasks such as regular monitoring and spraying allows farmers to focus more on strategic activities rather than physical labor. Saving 20% to 40% on labor and chemical costs helps increase farmers' profits. Applying UAVs in agriculture helps reduce the use of chemicals and water, minimizing environmental impact. More precise pesticide spraying also reduces the risk of environmental pollution. Reducing chemical use by 15% to 30% protects soil and water sources. We have reviewed the clear applications and benefits that UAVs bring to modern agriculture. Applying this technology not only enhances production efficiency, but also contributes to environmental protection, meeting the increasing demand for clean and safe agricultural products. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to like and share if you found the video helpful. See you in other videos on our channel.